Today, we will show you how to align the watch hands on your vívomove series watch. Alignment of the watch hands may be necessary after an intense workout or a few months of normal use. Start by double tapping the watch to wake the screen. Press and hold the screen to access the menu. Swipe until you see the settings icon, then tap the icon. Swipe until you see the hand alignment icon, then tap this icon. Use the arrow icons to align the minute hand to the 12 o'clock position. Touch the check mark when minute hand is aligned. Use the arrow icons to align the hours hand to the 12 o'clock position. Touch the check mark when the hour hand is aligned. The message, "Alignment complete," will appear when you're done. And that's it! You can now align the hands on your vívomove series watch. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.